Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a hot topic for 2025: WordPress versus ClickFunnels. If you're building a website or sales funnel, you're probably wondering which platform reigns supreme. I'm going to break it down for you step by step, so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. First off, what is WordPress? It's an open source content management system that's been around for years and powers over 40% of the web. In 2025, with its latest updates, WordPress is incredibly versatile for creating blogs, e-commerce sites, or even complex portfolios. It's free to start, highly customizable with thousands of plugins and themes, and excels in SEO thanks to its flexibility. However, it requires some technical know-how. Think installing updates, managing security, and possibly hiring a developer for advanced features. On the other side, we have ClickFunnels, a powerhouse for marketing and sales funnels. Designed specifically for businesses, it's an all-in-one platform that lets you build landing pages, email sequences, and automated sales processes without much coding. By 2025, ClickFunnels has integrated even more AI tools for personalization and analytics, making it a favorite for e-commerce entrepreneurs and digital marketers. The big plus is its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, which is perfect for beginners. But here's the catch. It's a paid service, with plans starting at around $100 a month, and it might feel limiting if you need a full-fledged website beyond funnels. Now, let's compare them head-to-head. On ease of use, ClickFunnels wins for quick setups, while WordPress offers more control but a steeper learning curve. Cost-wise, WordPress is cheaper upfront, but you might spend on premium themes or hosting. For features, WordPress shines in content creation and community support, whereas ClickFunnels is unmatched for conversion optimization and integrations with tools like email marketing software. So, which is better? It depends on your goals. If you're a solopreneur launching products fast, go with ClickFunnels for its efficiency. But if you want a scalable, customizable site for long-term growth, WordPress is the way to go. In 2025, both have evolved with AI and mobile responsiveness, so test them out. Thanks for watching. If you're team WordPress or ClickFunnels, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you next time.